Hey everyone, welcome to CJ Pony Parts. Today we'll be working through another install, walking you through the process step by step so you can tackle it with confidence. We'll show you everything you need to know, from any prep, tools you'll need to do the job, or fitment to get the perfect look, plus a few helpful tips to make your install go smoothly. Let's get it in gear and get started. We're working our way around Betty, updating what we can, making her look a little bit better. We know she needs a paint job. That's on the wish list. But we'll be updating our gas cap today. We've noticed that this factory stock original one has certainly lost its luster, so we'll be updating that today. To install our new gas cap, your existing gas cap is held on with this braided cord so that you don't lose it. So to get that off, there's a nut on the inside, and ours is 10 millimeter. And we're using a ratchet with an extension to reach past the filler neck. To install our new one, we noticed that the new bolt is 11 millimeter. So make sure you switch out your sockets, and you just want to take this off. Make sure that the orientation of your gas cap is the right direction. And tighten this up. Once you have that snugged up, you can install your new gas cap. That wraps up this install. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future installs, product spotlights, or event coverage. Got questions or want to show off your ride? Drop a comment or tag us on social media. We love to see what you're building. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.